Adding TypeScript and types to your project can be a daunting task, and it may take a lot of time and a lot of effort of our developers, and some developers are confused also, like which type should a key should have. And when you get data from the server, you get the data from the API, then also it will take a lot of time for you to define the types for all of that. So today in this video I'm going to show you this beautiful tool that will do all of the work for you, and the tool name is make type, and it will, as the name suggests, it will create the types for you from the given JSON, and you have to pass the JSON to it and it will give you the types for it. Let's see it in action. So I have created some different objects to just to demonstrate. So let's say this is our first object. I will just copy it, put it over here, and you need to give it a name. For example, it's a user data. So if I say user data, let's say, and you just need to paste it over here, generate it, and it will give you your interface. So you can just take it back and use it in your project. Let's try with the little complicated with an array, and this will generate, see, it will generate two types for you because you have an array of objects. So it will create one user entity, and then the user data will use that user entity in that. And now the complex one, so I get this from an API. Okay, so this is very complex one, so I will just put it over here and I will generate it, and you can see it will generate all of the types of that, and it's a very lengthy, as you can see. It has user data and all the different entities that it has, so it just mentioned all of them over here. So that's it. Make sure to bookmark this page, so whenever next time you have to define types, so instead of doing manually, you can just use this website.